Lai lava malfalo tele, soli tuina lo to malu pa ia maulungo lewa malu tawe. Malu fal tala de lei, malu fal etunu utainane, malu fal malo. I had to speak in my national language first, otherwise my ancestors would be so disappointed. Your Honourable Leuataea Tolsu Sulu, Anthony Albanese, Prime Minister of Australia, Senator Anita Green, Assistant Minister for Pacific Island Affairs, Mr. Peter Bilans, Chairman of the Australian Rugby League Commission, Honourable Prime Ministers of Papua New Guinea, Honourable Prime Minister of Tonga, Ministers, Representative of a Pacific Island Nation, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our government, our people of Samoa, I bring you greetings and good blessing. From all the rugby league supporters and rugby league players of Samoa, in Samoa and around the world. Talofa lava and good evening to you all. I wish to begin by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land which we are gathering here today. As Pacific people, we understand that who we are is rooted in connections to our land, our oceans, our ancestors, and our communities. It is therefore a privilege to gather here today in spirit of friendship and mutual respect. I also warmly acknowledge my fellow Pacific Island leaders, ministers. Your presence here reflects the enduring strengthening of our Blue Pacific family and our shared commitment to create greater opportunities for our Pacific people. It is an honor to be here to celebrate the launching of the Pacific League Partnership. I'm sorry, Peter, for pushing you to make sure you're on track. It is a momentum to make sure today happens. So I wish to congratulate you that. I congratulate the Government of Australia and the Australia Rugby League Commission for their leadership in bringing this partnership to life. It reflects the shared belief that sport has the power not only to entertain, but to transform life, strengthen community, and deepen into enduring bonds and unity of our Pacific family. It sends a powerful message that our Pacific matters, that our young people matters, and that investing in sport is also investment in stronger community and more prosper for our future and our region. I'm here and my presence this afternoon present our government and our people full commitment for Rugby League. Rugby League is more than a game. It is a source of national pride, the way we bring community together, and a powerful platform to develop our young people and presentation to our new opportunities. For many years, Samoan players have much extraordinary contribution to rugby league in Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and around the world. They have inspired millions through their talent, commitment, and humility. Yet each other and those players began somewhere. They began from the villages, on the school field, on the local clubs, from the supporters to family, coaches, communities, who believe in them and encourage them to their dream. Partnership recognizes that greatness does not begin in the elite level. It begins from the grassroots level. The financial assistance channeled through the Australian League Commission has helped push the grassroots level development in Samoa and the Blue Pacific. It is my fervent hope that the livelihood of this game will emerge to the inspired generation who dare to dream and they welcome NRL superstars. By investing in the community participation, coaching, officialing, sporting, administrations, and players' development, we are building a pathway that will allow future generations to the Pacific athletes to realize their potential while retaining connected to their culture, values, and communities. Samoa recently launched the second pathway for the development of Samoa, PDS2, 2026-2031. While our national development strategy does not identify sport as a stand-alone priority, it is a place to strong embrace the building of health community, empowering young people, strengthening skills and education, creating economy opportunities, and fostering resilience and inclusive communities. They are precise the outcome of the partnership that can help deliver it. This partnership today is timely as we build on the momentum of the general from the success of the Pacific National Test, the unforgettable 2022 World Cup in England, when Samoa reached the World Cup final for the first time ever. The growing number of Pacific players in the NRL is a recognition, talent, and expertise in the game by the Pacific people. And we will surely witness to this state of origin match this evening. I also acknowledge the flexibility of the Rugby League representation criteria that keeps the Rugby League game alive universally. It creates excitement for the fans to stir global attention. Doors are open to amplify interest in the game of partnership will flourish the global market expansion. Samoa welcomed this initiative. It is proud to be member of this partnership and looking forward to working closely with Australia and the Australia League Commission and for our Pacific neighbor to ensure it delivers meaningful and lasting benefit across our region. We hope that it will encourage health, lifestyle, and stronger communities, creating more opportunities for our young men, women, kids to participate and lead. We hope that it will create a stronger supporting institution that will support our coaches, official, administration above all. We are all hope that it will inspire the next generation of the Pacific leaders and off and on the field. Honourable Prime Minister of Australia, on behalf of Samoa, we thank you so much for the enduring friendship of Samoa and your nation. Australia is now our second home. We migrate here together with other Pacific Islands, Tonga, Fiji, and other Pacific Islands. And we stay here, the second, the third, and the fourth generation born and live here. And we will continue to live and live all their lives to serve your country and your government. As for us staying back home, this funding is great assistance for the developing of our sport currently for future sportsmen and creating a pathway to allow them to play an international level. Data shows that some of the best players in the rugby league in the world are from the Pacific nationality. Looking for about 50% are from Samoa, Tonga, Papua New Guinea. Today, I wish to thank you all, to all our colleagues, to all special thanks to the League, Rugby League Commission. Thank you for your recognition that the future of Rugby League may be inspirable and be the future of the Pacific. To my fellow Pacific leaders, let us continue to work together and to make sure in spirit that as always defined in our Blue Pacific way, with trust, partnership, and shared vision for generations to come, and through collections that will benefit us all. Our game, our people, our partnership today, Soifo Maimunia. Thank you.